The big news coming, which is related with the Tesla and the Elon Musk. Elon Musk sold his Tesla share worth of more than $3.5 billion, and now the Tesla share down 2.58%. It is the second sale in the red triangle stock this week since it bought Twitter for $44 billion. Musk sold about the 22 million Tesla shares in 3 days ended on December 14, according to the regulatory disclosure released on Wednesday. Musk sold share over 3 days Monday through Wednesday according to the filing. This week's sales means Tesla CEO has sold more than $39 billion worth of Tesla stock since the company's stock price peaked in November 2021. As time's up. The sale, the second since Musk acquired Twitter for the $44 billion in October, brings a billionaire's total Tesla stakes sold over the past year to nearly $40 billion, according to the Refinitiv DAO. He now owns his 13.4% stake in the world's most valuable automaker. Tesla share fell 2.58% on Wednesday to close at $156.80, the lowest in more than 2 years. So this is the news, and this BBC also given the news articles on the same, that Elon Musk sold $3.6 billion of shares in electrical car maker Tesla. So this is the things which is investor and the whole world should need to know. Let's know the detail about the Tesla. The Tesla is American multinational automotive and clean energy company headquartered in Austin, Texas. Tesla's design and the manufactures electric vehicle like a Tesla electrical car and electrical trucks, home to grid storage batteries, solar panel and solar roof tiles and related products and services. Tesla is one of the world's most valuable companies with the market cap of over 550 billion dollar. He remains the world's most valuable car maker. So the market cap is the 550 billion dollar. In 2021, the company will be world's top seller of battery, electric and the plug-in electric vehicle with the 21% of the battery pure electrical market and the 14% of the plug-in market, including the plug-in hybrids. Through its subsidiary Tesla Energy, the company designed and installed solar power system in the United States. Tesla Energy is the one of the world's largest provider of the battery energy storage system, achieving the 3.99 gigawatt hours by 2021. So this is the screenshot from the Wikipedia. There is more about the Tesla. It is formerly known as the Tesla Motors and July 2003. It is a public tech company and it is listed on the share market, equity market as a Nasdaq, and it is founded in 2003, 19 years ago, and San Carlos, California, United States. But now it is headquartered in Austin, Texas. So key people as the Robin Denholm, which is chair, and Elon Musk is CEO. There are the product list Model 3, Model S, Model X, Model Y, Semi, Powerwall, Power Pack, and Mega Pack, solar panel and solar roof. So the revenue is very huge, and all this you can read here, all the information about the Tesla. But now the news is coming. After this event, Musk is no longer richest man. After filing the shares of Tesla, the news coming. CNBC recorded this news. Elon Musk is no longer richest man in the world after the shares in one of his companies, Tesla, plunged Monday. Now the new richest person is the Bernard Arnault, CEO of the luxury fashion group LVMH, which owns the Louis Vuitton, Dior, Tiffany, and Comoit and others. Mr. Musk's net worth fell by nearly $168.5 billion below the Arnold's $172.9 billion according to the Bloomberg's Billionaire Index. Most of the Musk's fortune is in the Tesla stock, which has fallen about the 15% over the past year. At one time, he was net worth of the $340 billion. So $340 billion is a huge wealth he had one at one of the time. Earlier this month, Musk said Twitter was losing $4 million a day, with the revenue dropping significantly. It is not clear If this reflects a broader recession in the digital advertising market or that some companies have been out of business since must bought the business. Some companies, including the burrito chain, Chipotle, Mexican Grill, cereal maker General Mills, and airline United Airlines Holding, have paused spending on Twitter, citing uncertainty over the company's development. In doing, relations soured after the several executives left the advertising department of the Twitter. Let's see who is the new man and who is the richest man who surpassed the Elon Musk. So name is Bernard Arnault. Is the richest man now. He is born in March 5, 1949. Is a French businessman, investor, and art collector. He is the co-founder, chairman, managing director of LVMH, Moët Hennessy, Louis Vuitton, SE, the world's largest luxury good company. Arnault and his family have estimated net worth of $188.6 billion according to the Forbes as December 2022, making him the richest person in the world. Born in France, Bernard Arnault is the chairman and the CEO of the LVMH, the world's largest luxury good company. LVMH brands include the Louis Vuitton, Hennessy, Marc Jacob, and Sephora. Most of the Arnold's fortune come from the huge stake in Christian Dior SE, the holding company that controls his 41.2% of the LVMH. His stake in Christian Dior SE and his additional 6.2% stake in LVMH are held through his family-owned holding company group Familia Arnault. In April 1999, he surpassed Zara's Amancio Ortega to become the richest person in the fashion industry. In 2016, Arnault received a Euro 7.8 million as a CEO for LVMH Group. As of July 2019, Arnault has a net worth of $103 billion, making him the second richest person in the world. Arnault briefly overtook Jeff Bezos in December 2019 and briefly became the world's richest man in January 2020. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Arnault saw his fortune dwindle by $30 billion as a luxury sale collapsed. On August 5, 2021, he regained his status as the richest man in the world with the net worth of $198.4 billion. This is because LVMH's luxury goods sales surge in China and other parts of Asia. He is listed as the Bernard Arnault and his family is on the Forbes billionaire list. Forbes estimated Bernard Arnault and his family fortune in 2022 at the $158 billion, surpassing Bill Gates. Arnault born Arnault owned the 70M modified research vessel Amadeus, which has sold late 2015. Its current 101.5-meter yacht Symphony was built in Holland by the Fleetship. The next is the list. My second richest man is Elon Musk, and third one is the Gautam Adani. Gautam Shantilal Adani, who is born on 24 June 1962, is an Indian billionaire businessman. So he is from India and now ranking third on the list. He is the chairman and the founder of Adani Group, an Ahmedabad-based multinational conglomerate engaged in the port development and the operation in India. Adani is also president of Adani Foundation, which is primarily run by his wife Priti Adani. As of November 2022 and December 2022, he has the net worth of the $138.1 billion according to the Forbes and the $133 billion according to the Bloomberg's. He is the richest person in Asia and he is third richest person in the world. Adani is dropped out of the college and previously worked in the diamond trade. Adani is now India's richest port operator and is closely tied with thermal coal producer and coal traders. In 2022, he acquired his 74% stake in Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, his second biggest airport in India. So the fourth person is the Bill Gates of the Microsoft. The fifth one is the Jeff Bezos. Everyone knows this name. He's the head of the Amazon. The sixth one is Warren Buffett. He is an investor, banker, and the investor giant. The next name is the seventh name is Lawrence Ellison. Lawrence Ellison is born on August 17, 1944. He is American computer technology company co-founder, chairman, and CTO of the former CEO of Oracle Corporation. Business tycoon and investor. As of November And December 2022, according to the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, with an estimated wealth of $91 billion, he ranks as the seventh richest person in the world. Elon is also known for his 98% interest in the Lanai, his sixth largest island in the Hawaiian island. So he won the island in Hawaiian island. Next person is the Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is again from the India. So in top 10 the two Indians. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, born on 19 April 1957, is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the chairman and the managing director of his Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. That's short form of the Reliance Industries Limited, a Fortune Global 500 company and India's most valuable company by the market value is RIL. According to the Forbes and the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, on November 29, 2022, Adani's net worth is estimated at the US dollar 93.8 billion, making him the second richest person in Asia. Gautam, after Gautam Adani, now 8% in the world list of the richest man. Next person is Stephen Anthony Ballmer. Stephen Anthony Ballmer is an American businessman and investor who served as the CEO of Microsoft from 2000 to 2014. He is currently the owner of the Los Angeles Clippers of the National Basketball Association. As of November 2022, the Bloomberg Billionaire Index estimated his personal fortune at approximately $79.7 billion, making him the ninth richest person. And the last in the top 10 list is Lawrence Edward Page. Lawrence Edward Page, born on March 26, 1973, is an American businessman, computer scientist, and internet entrepreneur. He is best known for his co-founding Google with the Sergey Brin. Page was the CEO of Google from 1997 to August 2001. Then he replaced by the Eric Schmidt. Then the CEO of Alphabet from the April 2011 to July 2015. So he will remain in the office until December. He remained in office until December for 2019. He remains a director employee and the controlling shareholder in Alphabet. So this is all the list of the 10 richest man. And now big news is that Elon Musk slide the position, and there are the reports that he may lose the second position also, may settle on the fourth position, and he sold his shares in Tesla. So the Twitter deals is going to become nightmare for the Elon Musk. Let's see what's happened next. Thank you.